For South Korea, artillery and especially self-propelled artillery was the optimal choice for its mountainous terrain. It can be much more responsive, efficient, and cheaper than air power, react quickly to a potential border adversary, the North Korea. K9 Thunder is currently considered Korea's best self-propelled howitzer and is the main export weapon product of Samsung Techwin, a subsidiary of Samsung, specializing in the production of weapons and high-tech equipment for war. The K9 Thunder was developed in the late 1980s to replace the M109A2K, also known as the K55, to meet the 21st century requirements. Key operational requirements included a higher rate of fire, longer range, better accuracy, and faster into and out of action times. This artillery system entered service in 1999. K9 Thunder has a weight of 47 tons, a length of 12 meters, a width of 3.4 meters, a height of 2.73 meters. A standard crew includes 5 men, commander, driver, gunner, and 2 loaders. K9 is welded with 20 tons of mere 12560H armor steel developed by POSCO for K2 Black Panther project, which can withstand explosion pressure and fragments from 155mm high explosive rounds, 14.5mm armor-piercing rounds, and anti-personnel mines all around. The vehicle can protect crews from CBRN warfare using air purification system. The power pack consists 1000 horsepower STX MTU MT881KA500 MTU engine licensed by Samsung Heavy Industries and is installed on state-of-the-art hydro-pneumatic suspension chassis. The vehicle has maximum speed of 67 km per hour and is capable of operating in various terrain conditions, including desert, snow, jungle, and mountains. The main armament is CN98 155mm 52 caliber artillery gun manufactured by Kia Heavy Industry. Maximum range of fire is 30 km with standard high explosive projectile and 40 km with rocket-assisted projectile. The K9 Thunder is resupplied from the K9 ammunition resupply vehicle. It is based on the K9 chassis. The reloading process is fully automated and can be performed without exposing the crew under enemy fire or in the contaminated areas. Assisted by semi-automatic fitting system and fire control system, the vehicle can achieve the maximum rate of fire from burst of 3 rounds in 15 seconds, with a choice to land shells in multiple rounds simultaneous impact mode, followed by 6 to 8 rounds per minute for the first 3 minutes, then 2 to 3 rounds per minute for sustained fire. The vehicle can shoot and scoot by ready to fire in 30 seconds when stationary or 1 minute during move, then relocated to a different position in 30 seconds to increase survivability from enemy counter-battery attacks. South Korea ordered a total of 1,136 of these howitzer. Finland ordered 48 of these howitzer for delivery in 2017. India ordered 100 of these artillery systems. In 2018, at least 25 units were reportedly delivered to the Indian Army. Estonia ordered 18 of these artillery systems. Deliveries began in 2020 and are planned to be completed in 2023. Norway ordered 24 of these artillery systems. Egypt was also evaluating this system. Priced at about $4 million per gun, the K9 Thunder is considered the main self-propelled gun in the South Korean military's payroll today, and also its main export lethal weapon product. My video about the K9 Thunder self-propelled howitzer answered. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.